Now let us see 6.3 third bit. First one, in an AP given A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35. We have to find D, that is common difference, and S13. Okay, now here actually we have A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35. So by this data we can get easily D value. How? By using the AN formula. What is AN formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. So by that we can write A13 is equal to A plus 13 minus 1 into D. So actually it is given as what? 35. So now A plus 12D is equal to 35, isn't it? Now substitute A is equal to 7. Okay, substitute A is equal to 7. So we get 7 plus 12D is equal to 35. Then 12D is equal to 35 minus 7. Then 12D is equal to 35 minus 7 is simply 28. Then D is equal to 28 by 12. So by 4 table we can cancel 4 7 the 4 3 0. D is equal to, we have 7 by 3. Okay, now we have here S13. We have to find the S13. Again we can use the same Sn formula. So to get S13 we need to get here Sn formula. What is Sn formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An, or L. We can write An also. So that is, here we could write S13 is equal to what? 13 by 2 into A plus A13. Okay, so by that we can write 13 by 2 into A plus, again I am writing here A plus A13. So first 13 by 2 into, first you write A value 7 and A13 35. Okay, by substituting them we get 7 plus 35. Now 13 by 2 into 7 plus 35, how much? 42. Now by cancellation we get 13 into 21. Now 13, 26 plus 2, 73, 273. So like this we can get easily the sum of here. A is equal to 2. All are APs only. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 8, and Sn is equal to 90. We have to find n An. Okay. Now here we need directly Sn formula. To get n and An, we need here only Sn formula. What is Sn formula? We have to take the full formula, n by 2 into, full formula means first formula, n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into B, that is equal to 90. Now substitute A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, then we get n by 2 into 2, that is A value 2, plus n minus 1 into D value 8, n minus 1 into 8 is equal to 90. Okay. See carefully here, very important. N by 2 into 2 to the 4 plus By multiplying 8 we get 8n minus 8 is equal to 90. Then n by 2 into 8n minus 8 plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 90. Then take this n by 2 on right side, then we get only 2, that's right side, n into 8n minus 4 is equal to 90 into 2. So here we get simply 8n square minus 4n is equal to 180. Then 8n square minus 4n, take this 180 on left side, minus 180 equal to 0. So among all these we have 4 common. Okay, so by taking 4 common we get 2n square minus n minus 45. Okay, now what we get here, 2n square minus 45 minus 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0 by 4. Then we got a 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0 as a chord equation in terms of n. Now to get n value we have to use the factorization method. Okay, let us do that one. 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. So to get that one, just we have to multiply first and last terms, that is 2n square into minus 45, that is minus 90n square. In middle we want to get minus n, that is minus 1n. So to get that one we have to apply the factors. So here 90, take the 90 factors. So to get 1n, simply you can write 10 nines. Why? Because the difference of 10 and 9 we get what? 1. So write here 10 and 9. To get exact minus 1n, we have to apply minus 10n plus 9n. Okay, just you have to check out. Minus 10n into plus 9n minus 90n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 1n. So like this we have to split. Okay, so now 2n square, that minus n can be written as minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. Okay, so before going to that you have to always follow this rough steps and then write the step by step at here. So 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equal to 0. So from these two we can get 2n common, but that again you have to write like this: 2n into n minus 5 into 2n plus again 9n minus 45, 9 into n minus 9 into 5. Okay, now from these two we can get the common 2n. Okay, 2n times of n minus 5 plus here again 9 common, 9 times of n minus 5. So altogether we get n minus 5 as a common, n minus 5 into 2n plus 9 equal to 0. Then n minus 5 equal to 0, 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. Then n is equal to 5, then n is equal to minus 9 by 2. So we have to take only, consider what, n is equal to 5 only, positive integers, as you know already that one. So here an, so what is an? An is equal to, simply we have here a5, that is a plus what, 5 minus 1 into d. Okay, so here simply we get a plus 4d. As we all know already, again I am writing here a nothing but what, a plus n minus 1 into d. So by applying that we can write, we need here a5, a nothing but a5. a5 is equal to a plus 5 minus 1 into d. That is by applying this formula. So then a plus 4d we got. Then what is a value here? What is a value? A value 2 and d value 8. Substitute a value 2, d value 8. Then we get easily that a5. So 2 plus 4 into 8. Then simply we can get 2 plus 32, that is equal to 34. Okay, so like this we can get this a. And again here one more we have same type at sixth also same type option. Let us do, very important. here given an is equal to 4, d is equal to 2, Sn is equal to minus 40. So we have to find n and a. N and a. Now again we have to apply our an formula and Sn formula. So what is an formula? As you know, a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 4. So we have actually d value to substitute here. A plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 4. Then a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 4. So a plus 2n is equal to 4 plus 2. That is, we get a plus 2n is equal to 6. So equation 1. And again here, before going to 1, we have to write a is equal to 6 minus 2n. Just like we have to get an equation in terms of n. Okay, so that is which is helpful to write the equation n. Okay, so this equation is helpful to write the n is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So apply here. Sn is here value minus 14, so I am writing on right side minus 14. Already we have n by 2 into a plus first substitute d value n minus 1 into 2 is equal to minus 14. So n by 2 into, so in this we have 2 common, take this outside, 2 into a plus n minus 1 is equal to minus 14. We can cancel 2 to it here. Then we get n into a plus n minus 1 is equal to minus 14. Now we have here a value. So take this equation to, so substitute a is equal to 6 minus 2n in equation 2. Then we get n into 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1 is equal to minus 14. So that now n into 5 minus n is equal to minus 14. N into 5 minus n is equal to minus 14. Then multiply this. 5n minus n square equal to minus 14. So take this term to right side. N square minus 5n minus 14 equal to 0. Now again here to get the 5n, just simply n square into minus 14 n square, middle term minus 5n. So simply factors of 14 as we know, simply 7 2s are. Okay, so you can write here 7 2. To get exact minus 5n, apply minus 7n plus 2n. Once you observe here, minus 7n into plus 2n minus 14n square, 7 into 2 14, n into n square, minus into plus minus, and again minus 7n plus 2n minus 5n. So that's why n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 equal to 0. So we can, from these two we can take common n, and again from these two we can take common 2. Okay, like this we have to factorize easily. Now n into, we can write n minus 7 plus 2 into n minus 7. So n minus 7 into n plus 2 is equal to 0. Now each factor is equal to 0. N minus 7 equal to 0 and n plus 2 equal to 0. Then we get n is equal to 7, n is equal to minus 2. Okay, so like this we have to do. We have to find n is equal to 7. Now here we need actually a value. Actually what? A value. Okay. Now to get a value, we have already a is equal to 6 minus 2n we have. So a is equal to minus 2 into 7, A is equal to 6 minus 14, A is equal to minus 8. So like this, we have to get the values of 7, n value 7, A value minus 8. Now let us see fourth one. The first and the last terms of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. First term is 17, last term is 350. Generally, last term is taken as AN, that is 350. If the common difference is 9, that is D is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? That means the before sums and these sums are differences. In third sum we have, third bit we have the given values are in symbolical values we have, whereas in this they given in terms of words, that is a verbal sum. Okay, now let us do. So here first term and in AP, first term is 17 and the last term is generally taken as AN 350. Then common difference is 9. We have to find N and S. This is the data. Okay, now first of all write the AN formula. Simple one. AN is equal to 350. That is A is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So substitute here. A value 17, D value 9. Substituted values. 17 plus N minus 1 into 9 is equal to 350. N minus 1 into 9 is equal to 350 minus 17. Then N minus 1 is equal to 350 minus 17. How much is that? Simply we get 3 here. Again 3, again 3. 300. Take this n minus 1 to that side, then 33 by 9. So by cancellation what we get? 9 1s are 9 3s are 27, 63 balance, 9 7s are. So we get simply n minus 1 is equal to 37, n is equal to 37 plus 1, n is equal to 38. Okay, now we need to find that sum of 38 terms. That is Sn is equal to, we can apply simply n by 2 into A plus AN. That is we have already that last term. N value is here 38, A value is 17, AN is 350. Substitute. That is 38 by 2. Sum of those 38 terms. 38 by 2. A value is 17, AN is 350. So 38 by 2 into, simply we get 367. Now cancel it out. We get simply 19 into 367. 367 into 19. Simply we get by 9 table we get 63, 54, 60. Simply you can write it as 6973. Okay, which is very important.